State. About state, do you know already before that? About state. State word is such. Sometimes we feel what about state means we live in India and in India has have a 28 state. But okay, and after that your mind is coming would be coming what about state? State word means situation of women. What are situation of women? Okay, then we say that is state. And another side, when we talk about country, okay, when we talk about country, then comes state word. And state defines as a country. Okay, means we say country. Our country is what? India. Other country is what? America, such as America, London, Britain, okay, Russian. That is country. But in other word, we also can say that is state. Okay, at the global level. And now, as I told, you are confusing. You are confusing. But look, sometimes where we talk about, then we with condition we use. Okay, we use with condition means where we talk about country, then also we can say state, state of a country. Okay, if we talk about what? State of India means Jharkhand, Bihar, and so on. When we talk about, suppose state, our state government means and also we indicates. Okay, then we 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 are clear. Okay, so in some terms we use state, but here are we are going to discussion about state means whatever you are thinking. In our country, in our India country, we have 28 states, and about 28 states are mentioned in Article 12 of the Indian Constitution. And what it tells us, so let's see, state under Article 12 of the Indian Constitution define state as means when you will see in the Indian constitutions and about Article 12, then you will see about Article 12 are will mention and what tells Article 12 about state. So state here are mentioned what it tells us, but in short, if you are interested, then you can say you can see in your Indian constitution. And here are mentioned what legislative and executive organs. These are two types of organs. These are two types organs of the government. Okay, of the Indian government. But here we are talking about Indian government. Okay, so one we are taking an example of our Indian government. Legislative and executive organs of the union government. Means here are not saying we are saying you state government. Okay, not. Here are saying union government means at the top level. Legislative and executive organs of the union government. Okay, okay. Here you are saying you are telling us what two types of organ. Two types organ. Legislative and executive. Okay. Indian government. Indian government means main main minister, high level minister. Suppose our PM minister, prime minister. So it's a what, Indian government. And Indian parliament. What is Indian parliament? Okay, not Indian parliament. Then parliament. What is parliament? What will be parliament? What defines parliament? When it topic when it topic parliament topic will come, then we will discuss about parliament. But here, say? What does it say that we will say? Indian Parliament. In India, Parliament has two assembly. First assembly is Lok Sabha. In the bracket, here are written what, House of the People. In other words, we say of Lok Sabha. Rajya Sabha. It's the second assembly of Indian Parliament. And in other words, we say Council of the States. And you are looking here what, Indian Parliament. Our India has a parliament. India has a parliament, and in India Parliament have two house. First house name is Lok Sabha. In other word, we say House of the People. And second house name is Rajya Sabha. And in the bracket here are written what, Council of the States. And it's the second house of the Indian Parliament. Okay, we are here clear. So in short, we will say legislative executive organs of the union government. Yeah, first comes Indian government and second comes Indian Parliament. So in these are include legislative organs and executive organs. Are you getting what I am telling you? I am telling you, here are mentioned legislative and executive organs. Then after that, here are mentioned what about legislative and executive organs. Who are legislative organs and who are executive organs? Indian Parliament also executive organs. And who are legislative organs? We will see when about means definition of legislative will come, then we will see, we will discuss. But here are only say what about legislative and executive organs of the union government. At the union government comes Indian government. At the union government comes Indian Parliament. In India Parliament comes two assembly. First is Lok Sabha, second is Rajya Sabha. First house name is, in other words, what, House of the People, and second house name is Council of the State. Okay, okay, okay. So I indicate through people you can understand what, members of Lok Sabha are elected by the people. Okay, directly elected by the people. So through one word, we can understand for long time. We can remember for long time. Okay. So what I am saying you, through people, you can understand members of Lok Sabha are directly elected by the people. Okay. And in this context, in this in this cases, so here you are looking state words. So state legislative. What is state legislative? Here are mentioned about. After that, here are given. We will discuss. And what I am saying, state legislature. Okay, where members of Rajya Sabha, members of a council of states are elected by state legislature. Okay, then we say what, council, that member we say what, council of the states. Okay, Legislative. Now we see legislative and executive organs of the state government. Here you are not confusing whatever I am telling you. What here are you are looking, you are saying legislative and executive organs of the state government, and also here are mentioned was mentioned what legislative and executive organs. But here are you looking what is the difference? What are difference of the union government of the state government? In our country are two types of a government, and also Third type third type is what we will discuss. But here are given what two of the union government of the state government. About union government we are clear. Now we are looking, we are saying what legislative and executive organs of the state government. State government means government of state. Here was mentioned Indian government, government of India means PM, and here you can notice what I am telling you. I am telling you government of state means CM, chief minister. So chief minister is government of state. Okay. So state government, and it's also executive organs. State legislature, and you are getting notice what state legislature. So legislature also are coming here, state legislature, and in the state legislature assembly comes legislature assembly and also legislative council of state. And we will discuss here are coming two words, legislature and legislative. Okay, what is legislative? But in short, I would say in short I would say about the legislature and legislative means legislative. Okay, legislative. So what is legislative? These are members. These are members, and these member implements no no implements go executive organs. Executive members implements the law and sub what is what are to say law and policy. Okay, so legislative members of legislative makes laws and policy, and after that executive organ works what to implement of laws and policies. Okay, you are clear what I am telling you about legislative? These are members of state legislature. Okay, so this member work function of legislative member. What are? So through this member can make new policy and can change policy laws. Okay. So in short, I discuss. Okay. And legislative assembly, eight types of assembly of legislative, where 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 are members of legislative, where are members of legislative, they can meeting in a legislative assembly. Okay, and legislative council of state. Okay, we will see about it, but here are saying in the context of state. Okay, so next we are discussing what all local authorities. About we will we saw union government, we saw state government, and now remain government. Remain government. What are remain government? Okay, all local authorities means apart from this union government and state government are local authorities, municipalities and panchayats. So in our country have three level three level of government. First union government, second state government, third is local government. So here are not mentioned about yeah local one. So local government, local authorities. Here are saying what are authorities of local government. Okay. So municipalities, municipal corporation, in municipalities comes member who municipal corporation, nagar palika, nagar panchayats. And if we talk about in the matter of panchayats, then members becomes who Jila panchayats, mandal panchayats, and gram panchayats. Okay. So here are you notice here are you are getting here you are getting what municipal municipal means member of municipal, okay, member of municipal corporation, okay. But these members comes in urban areas and panchayat comes becomes in the rural areas. Okay, so here are whatever you are looking members of panchayats. So this member becomes in the rural house, and here I am getting indicating what this member becomes in urban areas. So these are local authorities. Okay, these are members of local self government. Okay, and about local self government, local government, we have already discussed it in the multiple previous lecture. Okay, so in short, we are going to sing what about a state are mentioned in Article 12 of the Indian Constitution, and what define what data define about the state government, okay, about union government and about local government. So we saw about members also, members of union government, members of the state government, members of local authority. So these are who? These are members of your area. Indian government, Indian government are member of union government, and state government, state legislature. These are member, not things. Okay, these are members of a state government. And after that, you are saying what local authorities. So these are who? These are member. These are member of local authorities, local self government. And but here are two conditions. Two condition comes. What when we talk about municipalities, then this member becomes in a rural area. So when we talk about a panchayat, then this member becomes in a rural areas. And about it, we already discussed it in previous lecture. Next, we are saying who is an MLA. About MLA, do you know? Before that, but MLA, you may have heard of it. Multiple. Okay. If you don't know, if you know, then okay. We will discuss again. Member of the Legislative Assembly. It is full name of MLA. Okay. So members here are discussing members must be members of the Legislative Assembly. Then we can say that becomes of Legislative Assembly. Okay, about it we discuss it where here Legislature Assembly. So MLA becomes in the area of state. Okay, when we talk about MP means members of parliament, then that member becomes of Indian Parliament. Okay. So here are the two conditions are coming. What when we talk about MLA, then this member becomes of state legislature. But when we talk about MPs, full name will be members of parliament. But this member becomes of Indian parliament. Okay. So here don't confuse. And these members are elected by the people. Yeah, these members are elected by the people. And these members can select our government of CEM of state government. Okay. Then they then become members. They then become members of the state of the legislative assembly. And you are saying what here are also saying, and I just said what this means members of the if one candidate are stand for members of legislative assembly, they if member for member, okay, one any one person can stand can elect can stand for post of members of the legislative assembly if that person won, then become members of the legislative assembly. When suppose one person, okay, one person, it's a stranger, and it want this member want 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 means I want to become a member of legislative assembly, and these are standing for post of members of the legislative assembly. And if this person will post of members of the legislative assembly, then this person become members of the legislative assembly and also can form the state government. Okay. So here in short we are looking, but also about it when when will come, then we will discuss separately. In this way, we say what that MLS represent people. MLS who represent people. People elect MLS. So these are a representative of people. Member of a legislative assembly should not be less than 25 years of age. Means here are saying us what age of members of legislative assembly must be above 24, 25, 25, above the 25 years. Okay, not less than. Okay, what I am telling you, what are I am telling you, what am I telling you? I am saying you members of legislative assembly should not less than 25 years. Can maybe 20 maybe above 20 above of 25 years, then okay, okay, then okay, but should not less than of 25 years. And this was about state and legislative or executive organs of the state government and also of the union government and about local self-government and ML. In short, we will see about the state are mentioned in the Indian Constitution, and it defines what legislative and executive organs of the union government. Okay, let's see. Indian government are organs of the union government. Indian parliament are organs of the union government. Also, we can say what it's executive. It's executive. Okay, so it's a legislative. Members of Indian parliament. It's legislative. Can be maybe legislative because in the Indian parliament members becomes House of the People and other side Council of the States. Then according to this, I am telling you maybe member of Indian Parliament maybe okay maybe what legislative member. So here are we discussing legislative and executive organs of the union government. Indian government are organs of the union government. Indian parliament are organs of the union government. Okay, House of the People and Council of the State becomes member and this member comes in Indian parliament. Indian parliament. Okay. Legislative and executive organs as well as but these are organs, but of the state government. Here we saw organs of the union government. Okay. Also, in state, in when we talk about the state, then also becomes legislative and executive organs of the state government. First is state government means government of the state. Whoever, okay, no matter. But here are discussing what governments of state. Then we can say that is a state government. And the next are coming state legislature. Means legislative organ, it's a legislative organ, it's a executive organs. Also we can say state government, what legislative government. Okay. So state legislative assembly. In state legislature becomes member what legislature assembly legislative council of state. Okay, we are discussing next all local self government. So in the local self government becomes two types of a member. First is municipalities and second is panchayats. Municipal corporation, municipal corporation, municipal corporation. The its member in urban areas. Also, it are these are members are and these are members in urban area. Panchayats, Jila Panchayats, Mandal Panchayats, whoever this member, whoever this member, and this member becomes in rural areas. Who is an ML, members of the Legislative Assembly. It is it is full name of MLA. Okay, and are elected by the people. If one person want to become a member of legislative assembly, then that person will post of a member of the legislative assembly. So we can say that person elected by the people. Okay, and then become members of the legislative assembly and also can form the government. Who members of legislative assembly can form the government. In this way, we say that MLAs represent the people. Means people elected members of state legislative. So in this way, in other way, we say what representative. This is a representative of people. And here are conditions to make members of legislative assembly. What should be should be above 25 years of age and should not be less than 25 years of age. Should be upper upper than upper than 25 years of age. And we will see in the next what will come about that we will discuss. We are moving to next. We saw what MLA should not be less than 25 years of age. Yeah, it's compulsory. It is eligible for a post of legislative MLS. Okay, post of ML. If you want, I want to become a members of legislative assembly, then you can make. But condition is what? You should be eligible. And eligible what? What is your age? It's matter. If you want become a member of legislative assembly, then should age of matter? Age is matter. Age what? Age is what? Age how many age? How many should age? Okay, should age be? Less than 25 year of age should not be. Okay, should be upper the age of 25. They then can say can say you are eligible to post of members of the legislative assembly. Okay. Second condition is what? Second eligible is he must be a member of AC and or ST, means scheduled caste, scheduled tribes. Okay. If he wants to contest a seat reserved for them, means here are saying we will see often, but many place are living people means scheduled caste people, scheduled tribes people at many place live. If any person want a member to a member of a this paper. Okay, so condition here is coming what you are looking, that he wants that that he want means that person means if he must be a member of a AC and ST. Okay, if one person wanted to contest a reserved for them. Okay, then that person must be a member of a this people. Okay, then that person can stand for a member of a legislative assembly. Okay, but condition is what? If where these people are living, these people are living, and one people want to contest a seat reserved for these people. Okay, for this people, then must be a member. If that person are not member of these people, then that person cannot be a member of a this, means cannot be seat reserved for that person that person are standing for a member of legislative assembly. Okay, so condition is any person can member of legislative assembly, but if these people who where are living these people, so in this category should be one member, and this member want to contest a seat reserved for them, then that person can stand for a post of a member of a legislative assembly. Okay, so first is what? Should not be less than 25 year of age, should be upper than 25 year of age, and any person not must be a member of these people, then that person can contest a seat reserved for them. Every state, each state of India, every state in India has a legislative assembly. Yeah, Yeah, means state legislature. Okay, if we talk about in the context of India, then India has a parliament, and here are saying what each state in India has a legislative assembly. Suppose you are living in district of Uttarakhand. Okay, Uttarakhand. Then your Uttarakhand state will be one legislative assembly. Okay. So next we are seeing what a democracy. People, what are democracy? People who elect their representative. That we can say that is a democracy country. People who elect their representative as member of the legislative assembly. Okay. Because these are representative people of people. People means who elect their representative. Suppose we are what? Public for government. Okay, we are public for government, and we can select, we can elect our representative people, our government. Okay, so in democracy, these define as people who elect, can elect our representative, member of legislative, for member of legislative assembly, MLAs, and this member can make form, can form the our government, means chief minister of state government. Okay, so according to this, in this regard, can matter, can come matter of majority. Through majority, through majority can win member of chief minister, can win member of Indian government. Okay, so through majority, and majority is matter in the parliament and in the member of legislative assembly, means MLS, and also in MPS. Okay, MPS means member of parliament. So we are clear. So here are saying what a democracy. About democracy, here are defined. People who elect their representative means government and leader as member of the state legislature. Then we can say in short that is democracy. How do people who are how do people who are MLS become minister or chief minister? Okay, so who are MLA become minister or also chief minister. So how do people? A political party whose MLAs have won more than number of constituency in the political party that has the majority is called the ruling party. Yeah, here are saying any person, no any person, but should be a member of legislative assembly. So a member of legislative assembly, we are taking a member, okay, of member of legislative assembly. So if one member of legislative assembly has majority more than half number, more than half the number, okay, half the number of constituency area. Constitution area means constituency area means where area who are living voters, and according that voter member 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 of legislative assembly can win in the form of ruling party. So what are what I am telling you? I am telling you one member of legislative assembly can form ruling party when when that member have majority, have more than half number of majority, then can win. Okay, can win means can form the ruling party. Okay, so in short we will say we, uh, we are saying what who वो MLA have already won, then MLA will be more than half number of constitution area from constitution area in the political party that has the majority that has the majority, and this majority according to be this majority is called, then we that is called ruling party. Okay, and all other members are called opposition. So here are saying one member of legislative assembly can form the ruling party, but remain other party are called members of opposition, are called opposition. Okay, other members of legislative assembly, we say what, opposition party. Okay, so here do remember, do notice what, if one member, okay, of MLA, okay, of MLA have majority, half the number of means 225 should be above this number, then that member is called majority. And according majority means four member of legislative assembly. Okay, so this means majority, and through this majority can form a ruling party, and remain party is called are called member of opposition. Okay, so next we are seeing the chief minister and other minister, okay, also have to take a decision and the government run the government, means here are saying these minister also can take a decision in the legislative assembly, in the members of legislative assembly. Okay, so this member also can take decision, and according to this member run our government. Okay, our government. Okay, we usually hear about them, means chief minister or minister, we usually hear about them and see them where, in the news channel and in the newspaper. In a democracy, this member can ask questions here. Democracy shows us what members of chief and any members. If we talk about in the Indian territory, so minister, do you know? So you are already know. You already know. We usually hear about them, means minister about we usually hear and see them in the news channel and in the newspaper. In a democracy, this member can ask a question because we can express in any place. So who gives this opportunity? Democracy. This member can ask members questions, debate an important issue, decide where money should not be spent, where money should be spent. Okay, should be spent. They have the main authority. So at least these are authority. These are authority for chief minister, for minister. So at least this minister can decide where we can debate the important issue. Okay, where we can ask a question, and where we can say should not be spent money, and money should be spent money. So allow who does allow? Who? Democracy. Okay, so according to democracy, we are asking question, we are we are expressing. Okay, we are we are taking decision. So according to democracy, and in short we will see about it. So it's a condition. It's eligible if you want to, if if you want to become a member of legislative assembly, then this should be eligible. This should be, you should be eligible. Okay. So first condition is should not less than 25 year, should be upper the 25 year age, 25 year of age. And second is he must be a member of AAC or ST if that person wants to contest a seat reserved for them. So here simple point, what should be a member of this category, then that person can stand for a member of a legislative assembly. Okay. Each state in India has a legislative assembly. If we will talk about in India, about Indian parliament, in India has a only one parliament. Okay. If we will talk about each state in India has a legislative assembly. You own, okay, own state, okay, own state. A democracy, people who elect their representative, their government, their leader as member of the legislative assembly, and in short we say MLAs. Okay. So how do people who are MLAs become minister or chief minister? Okay, it's a question. A political party, where we talk about in the category of political party, in the matter of a political party whose MLA have already won, okay, more than half the number of constitutions. So according to this, any person, any person means member of legislative assembly can form the government and can become a ruling party. Okay. So according to majority is a matter in member of legislative assembly and also in member of parliament. So majority is a matter. Okay, in the political party that has the majority. Yeah, here are saying what that has the majority, then we say that is a ruling party. And other party, other members, other members of a political party, we say what, opposition party. So remain party are member opposition member. Okay. So next, the chief minister and other minister have to take decision. So this member can take a decision and according to this run our government, our state. Okay. Our state, we usually hear about minister, we usually hear and see them in the news channels and also in the newspaper. In a democracy, this member can any ask questions. Okay. But cannot take a decision. Okay. Debate an important issue, decide and can decide where money should not can decide where should not be spent money and where money should be spent. They have the main authority, and this authority who does give us democracy. Through democracy, we are asking question, we are getting debate, and we are taking decision, some decision. Okay. So in next turn, what will come, we will see, we will discuss. And now we are moving to next is constituency. Already, do you know did you know about constituency? Constituency, what is constituency? So it's a types of constituency area where are living people are living, means in other words we can say voters. Okay. Voters people, a particular area from which all the voters living, there choose their representative. Means, suppose in our India, not suppose, in our India, where people are living, and this is area, okay, this is area of Indian country. and in this area people are living. So this area we can say what its constituency area. So these people can can elect your representative. So this is what? This is voter area. So in other word, we say what? Constituency area. So this is a particular area. Okay, this is a particular area where people are living. In other word, we say voters people, and these people can elect your representative, your government, your leader. So it's particular area of people, voters. Then we say constituency, a particular area from which all the voters living they choose their representative. Okay, till here we are clear. This could be, for example, a panchayat, ward, and an area or an area. Not only these are confirming only word, okay, or an area that choose an MLA. So also we can say this is area of panchayat, this is area of urban areas, this is area of rural areas, this is area of city of Indian government. So this can be anything, but condition is what? Here should be live people, okay, and through people can be elected, okay, representative. So what I am telling you, this could be, for example, a panchayat ward. Okay, here urban areas can be, could be urban areas, could be nagar panchayat. Okay, could be nagar palika, and could be local self government. Okay, anything. But condition is where condition is that place should be live should be live people, okay, people should be live, okay, in that place. So what I'm telling you, one particular area, so no matter particular area, but in that particular area should be live, people should be live, and people can elect your representative through democracy. Democracy allows us what? You can elect your representative. Okay. So if in this area are living people, then in other word we say voter people, and these people can elect your representative. Can elect your representative people. Okay, and the representative we are speaking representative people. So who? MLA, member of legislative assembly, member of a parliament. So these people, if are electing representative, means in other word we say MLA. Okay, MLA for representative, and this representative people can take decision through people authority. And about MLA we already discussed it in the just back lecture. We will discuss, here are mentioned about MLA, we will discuss. Okay, if you don't know, okay, then okay, next we are seeing opposition about also it we already discussed, we discussed it, but okay, here are given definition. Opposition is what? In your mind would be coming, what means opposition? This refer to elected representative, okay, but this do not winner, these are not winner, okay. So this refers to elected representative who are not members of the ruling party, okay, who play the role of questioning government decision and action, as well as raise a new issue for consideration in the assembly. So here are saying this can be member of legislative assembly. Okay, this can be member of legislative assembly, but this cannot be a member of ruling party. A member of ruling party. Only these people this type of people means opposition people can play can play in the role of questioning government means these people can take decision, can ask a question, can take action, and as well as can raise new issue for consultation in the assembly meeting. So here do notice one point is what, do remember one point is what, this member is elected by people. Okay, this member are elected by people, but these are not members of the ruling party. Ruling party is what? Okay, we will discuss ruling party, but here are what saying, here are saying these are not members of a ruling party, and who play means this member can play in the role of questioning government means these people type of opposition people can take can ask question, okay, can take a decision and can take action, as well as also can raise new issue, uh, can take talk where will raise new issue for consultation in the assembly. Then these people can participate, okay, and these people take participate. About governor, not here are not saying, here are not saying government, here are saying governor means in our state government has governor. Okay, so the governor is the chief executive. Here are not saying only executive. Chief executive means of executive it's chief executive. Okay, member of executive, that then this becomes member of chief executive. Okay, means to 23 member executive are executive member. So this this member this executive member of this are chief executive, is chief executive who governor. So governor in the other word we say what, chief executive of group of executive. Okay, head of the state. Yeah, this governor comes in the head of the state government. So governor is the chief executive of member of executive, and this chief executive is head of the state government. She ensure that the state government means he she any maybe, okay, anyone maybe means he and also she. So she ensure that the state government works within the rules and the regulation of the constitutions. This comes DPSP, direct principal state policy. Means these are saying us what these ensure us that our state government how is you doing work, how is you working, how is you doing work. So this governor ensure us. So state government works within the regulation, and this government cannot go with cannot intervene in other state government. So this governor can stop of our state government if our state government are uh, uh, intervention in another state. And also in the matter of if our government are taking decision wrong thing, then our government can be responsibility. Okay, then also our governor can ask questions, can take a meeting assembly. Okay, So governor is a responsibilities of state government. Our state government, what does works? So governor looks, okay, looks state government. State government works within the regulation and regulations of the constitution. Okay, Article 153 says that there shall be a governor for each state. And if you will discuss of the Indian Constitution, and you will see in the Article 153, and this article tells us each state shall be each governor. Each state shall be each governor. Okay, in each state government. State government shall be each governor. The governor is appointed. The governor is appointed by the president, not is elected. Means governor, here are saying governor, not here are saying MLA, member of legislative assembly. So through this president, through this person can appoint of our government member. Government, okay. Government no, governor. So condition is what? Article 153 tells us each state in each state shall be one governor. Okay, and the governor is not elected by the people, not elected by the president. This governor is appointed by the president. If it, when comes upon what? When comes upon what? When comes upon elected, about elected point. When will come? When will come? When we talk about when we will talk about point, what is point? Member of legislative assembly, member of a parliament. So in this case can be point of legislative, point of elected, point elect. This point can be come, okay, can come. The governor is appointed by the president. Organs of the union government, okay, till here we are clear. Organs of the union government we already saw, but in short we will see. Okay, organs of the state government, local self government, MLA, eligible MLA, ruling party, majority, opposition, constituency. About it, about all it we will discuss in short. What it tells us, what does it tells us? Okay, so organs of the union government, as we saw, these are defined as union government are what? So two types of government, two types of organ. First is legislative and second is executive organs of the are organs of the union government. So first is Indian. Okay, first is executive and second is legislative. So in this case of union government, executive. Okay, Indian government means the government of India, or PM. And second is Indian Parliament. In Indian Parliament, have two house. First house name is House of the People, and second Council of the State. Okay, Rajya Sabha and Lok Sabha. So, watch watch discussion in the cases of union government. Second, we are looking organs of the state government. Here also comes two types of organs. Same is what? Same executive organs and legislative organs are organs of the state government. So state government means government of a state. Okay, in the cases of organs of the state government. And second is state legislature. So in the state legislature has two members, two house, you can say two house. Okay, two parts. So first is state government. No, no, no. State legislature. Okay, state. Council of the state. So, one word in the matter of union government, when we were talking about Indian Parliament, about two houses, House of the People and Council of the State, and House of the People. Through this word, you can understand, you can learn what member of Rajya Sabha is elected by the people, and when we are talking about House of the Council of the State. So a state, through a state we can understand for a long time what a state legislature. Through state legislature is elected our members of what Rajya Sabha. So through this word you can understand, and I hope you are you are getting. Okay. So next, local self-government, and in this matter, in this case, two types of local self-government means in rural areas and in urban areas. So in rural, if we are talking about in rural areas, then becomes member as a panchayat, okay, mandal panchayat. And if we talk about in the matter of urban areas, then municipal corporation, municipalities, these are members of urban areas. Okay, municipalities, municipal corporation, these are member. It's a member, but in the case of urban areas, okay, panchayat, mandals, it's member of rural areas. Okay, so local self-government, we are clear. MLA, who are MLA? This member, if you want to become a member of legislative assembly, a member of legislative assembly, to post a member of legislative assembly, then okay, first is member of legislative assembly is elected by the people. Okay, means in other form, in other word, we say representative of people. So this member is elected by the people. Okay. So what are eligible? What should be eligible? Eligible is you should be above above the age of 25. Okay. You should be. Your age should be upper of 25 age. Then you can eligible for post of a member of legislative assembly. Okay. And second is, if we suppose that in other, I am telling you in other point. Okay, one person, suppose here area. Okay, here are living people who people are SC and ST, scheduled caste and scheduled tribes. Okay, here people are living scheduled tribes and scheduled caste. So here any one person want a state for a post of member of legislative assembly, then condition is what? Condition is that person should be a member of SC or ST caste, scheduled tribes and scheduled caste. If that person is not a member of this category, then cannot be formed. Okay, cannot be stand, cannot be become a member of legislative assembly. So condition is what? If you are standing, if you are standing of this area, then you should be a member of this category. Okay. So next, what about MLA? Mhm. Eligible MLA. Okay, ruling party. Now we will see ruling party. In this case, majority is matter. In the case, majority is matter. If you want to win for a government, then you should be a majority, maximum half the number of the majority. Means 400 total member, 400 total seats. So half is what? 200. So half the half the number above, half this member should be above. Okay, then you can make ruling party. So majority is matter. Through this majority you make a ruling party. So now point comes what opposition is who, opposition are who, its its member. You can say it's a representative, but this is not a member of. These are not members of ruling party. It's winner, it's not winner. Okay, it's winner, it's not winner. So majority can make form of a government, can make a ruling party. So ruling party, same government. Okay, majority is matter. Opposition is not members of ruling party. But this member of opposition can ask a question in the assembly. Okay. And this member can take decision. This member can debate an important issue for consulting in the assembly. Okay, constituency. Here a discussion about constitution, a particular area from which people are living, and in the other word we say voter living, voter people. So that person can elect your representative. If that person can elect your representative, then we say that area is constituency area. Okay, from that area can elect constituency. Can elect constituency. This could be okay. No matter what is area, but any that area, but from that people, from that people, from that place are living people, are living people. So that people can elect your representative. That people can elect your representative. So that area is what called? What is called? That area is constituency area. Okay. Matter is people. In that area are living people. So that people can elect. So that people can elect your representative. So matter is what? Matter is in the place. So when we talk about place, and in that place people are living, and people can elect your representative, then we say that area is constituency area. Okay, that's it.